Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Twitch account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now with that out of the way, let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, to log in into Twitch, you want to write TWITCH Twitch. First for Twitch over here, it's going to show you this result. You can click on the first option where it says twitch.tv. So for those people who do not know what Twitch is a live platform where you guys can go live or watch other people who are currently going live and chat with them on their chat or donate them or do whatever you want, alright? So that's basically what Twitch is. So if you want to log in into a Twitch account, once you come to twitch.tv, you can click on Russ's login. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to the login page. Over here, you can enter your Twitch username, and over here, you can enter your Twitch password. Once you enter your username and password, you can click on login over here. It's not highlighted at the moment, but once you enter your username or password, it's going to be highlighted. Once you click on it, you should be able to log in into a Twitch account if your username and password you entered over here is correct. And if you for some reason forgot your password, you can click on trouble login in to recover your password as well. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into a Twitch account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.